Have you ever wondered why we are so drawn to capturing moments in photographs? Photography plays a remarkable role in our lives, acting as a silent yet poignant storyteller. It's our personal time machine, preserving precious moments and memories for us to revisit. It serves as a mirror reflecting the human condition in all its raw and unfiltered beauty. It's also an invaluable companion in our journeys of self-discovery, helping us explore our perspectives and emotions. The advent of digital technology has revolutionized photography, making it accessible to everyone. With the press of a button, we can effortlessly capture countless moments, transforming them into tangible memories within seconds. And it doesn't stop there. We share these captured experiences not just with our family and friends, but with the entire world through social media, creating a global canvas of human experiences. Our fascination with photography is deeply rooted in our desire to freeze time, capture a moment, and share our unique perspectives. But where did this all begin? Let's journey back in time. Our story starts in the early 19th century. The idea of capturing reality through a mechanical process was a marvel that ignited the imaginations of inventors and artists alike. The first photographic process, known as daguerreotype, was announced to the world in 1839 by Louis Daguerre, a French artist and photographer. The daguerreotype process was complex and time-consuming. It involved treating a silver-plated sheet with iodine vapor to make it light-sensitive, then exposing it in a camera. The image was developed using mercury vapor and fixed with a solution of sodium thiosulfate. The result was a unique, highly detailed image that could not be duplicated. The daguerreotype was a marvel of its time, but it was not without its drawbacks. The process was expensive and the images were fragile. Yet it marked the birth of photography as we know it. Not long after, in the 1840s, an English inventor and photography pioneer, Henry Fox Talbot, introduced the calotype process. This process was less detailed than the daguerreotype, but allowed for multiple copies to be made from a single negative. It was a significant step forward, marking the beginning of photography as a widely accessible and replicable medium. As we moved into the latter half of the 19th century, advancements continued at a rapid pace. The wet plate collodion process, introduced by Frederick Scott Archer, offered a cheaper and quicker alternative to the daguerreotype and calotype. It was this process that truly democratized photography, making it accessible to the masses. These early pioneers of photography laid the groundwork for the art form we know and love today. They pushed the boundaries of technology and creativity, forever changing how we perceive and document the world around us. As the 19th century drew to a close, photography was no longer a novelty. It had become a tool for communication, a means of expression, and a way to preserve moments in time. The seeds of photography were sown, and they were about to grow into an art form that would change the world. As the years passed, photography matured, evolved, and became more accessible. The 20th century was a testament to this, witnessing significant leaps in the field. Imagine a world without color. Sounds quite dull, doesn't it? Well, that's how photography was until the 1930s, when color photography was commercially introduced. This was a game changer. It brought a new depth to images, allowing people to capture the world as they saw it, in all its vibrant hues. But color wasn't the only major development of the 20th century. Around the same time, the 35mm format was gaining popularity. This compact portable format was a revolution in itself. It made photography more accessible to the masses, turning it from an exclusive craft to a widespread hobby. Suddenly, anyone could carry a camera in their pocket and capture their world as they saw it. With this democratization of photography, the birth of photojournalism was inevitable. The power of the image to tell stories, to reveal truths, became more evident. Photographers began using their craft to document events, to bring attention to social issues, and to give a voice to those who were often unheard. From the battlefields of World War II to the civil rights movement, photography played a crucial role in shaping our understanding of these historical events. Then came the dawn of the digital age in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. This was yet another turning point in the evolution of photography. Digital cameras and smartphones equipped with high-quality cameras have made it possible for us to take more pictures, more easily and more quickly. Today, we're not just capturing images. We're capturing moments, emotions, stories. In a way, digital photography has made us all photographers. We're all capturing, processing, and sharing our experiences. with family, friends, and even complete strangers on social media. Photography had transformed from a complex, expensive process to a nearly universal hobby and profession. It's a testament to how far we've come, and a reminder of the power that lies in our hands every time we press that shutter button. Today, photography is more than just a pastime. It's a powerful tool for communication and self-expression. In the digital age, photography has taken on a new role. It's no longer just about capturing a moment in time. It's about telling a story, expressing an emotion, and sharing a piece of ourselves with the world. With the advent of smartphones, we all have the power of a high-quality camera right in our pockets. This accessibility has democratized photography, making it a universal form of communication. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook have revolutionized the way we consume and share photographs. These platforms have created a global stage for photographers, both professional and amateur, to showcase their work and share their perspectives. This means that a photograph taken in Tokyo can be viewed, appreciated, and shared by someone in New York within seconds. This global connectivity has amplified the power of photography, allowing us to connect with people and cultures far beyond our own. But it's not just about sharing, it's about consumption too. The sheer volume of images we consume daily on social media is staggering. It's changed the way we perceive the world and the way we understand others' experiences. We are no longer limited to our own perspectives. We can now see the world through the lenses of millions of others. This has increased our global understanding and empathy, making the world feel a little smaller, a little more connected. Photography today also serves as a form of personal exploration. It allows us to express ourselves creatively, to explore our emotions, and to document our personal journeys. It's a form of self-expression as much as it is a form of communication. In the end, the power of photography lies in its ability to tell stories, evoke emotions, and connect us to the world around us. It's a medium that transcends language barriers and cultural differences, making it one of the most powerful tools we have to connect with one another. As we continue to snap, filter, and share, we are not just taking pictures, we are capturing our human experience in all its complexity and beauty. So, what have we learned? We've journeyed through the rich 170-year history of photography, from its humble beginnings to its profound impact in today's digital age. We've seen how photography has been a faithful memory keeper, a revealer of the human condition, and a companion in personal exploration. From the personal family snapshot to Earth rising over the moon's horizon, we've discovered the diverse roles photography plays in our lives. We've seen how it reveals our perceptions and how it compels us to capture, process, and share our experiences. We've also delved into the ease and speed of digital photography, allowing us to take more pictures, more easily, and more quickly. And we've touched on the essential assumptions and desires that come with the act of creating images out of light and shadow. Photography is much more than capturing moments. It's a powerful medium for storytelling, a crucial tool for communication, and an essential part of our lives.